Everybody tonight, I will be talking about game week between Typical right now and a Baltimore. Who far his hero? A football will him. Coming in tonight him we will tie war. Now who are playing at home? How did he do today at home? Well, we hope issue a hole. How did it have full panel? Typical have three who have war. Typical will win three who war at the end of a full panel. Not what we wanted. Here who hold is the full panel. We had Typical he made 1-0 like almost 2 minutes into the game. And he made 2-0. Who will make 2-1? And Typical made 3-1. Here who hold is a full panel. One hold. Now we hold the panel. Nothing happens in a panel. And we hold the two panel. Typical have one, who have nothing. Who had me, Typical went on to see the fool, 4-1. And Typical take a 2-1 lead in the panel. Here who hold is a two panel for Typical. Empty net hole. Yeah. Not wearing a few hands for football tonight. This was not playing well tonight. Looked like Super West was not on his game tonight. He was not wearing a few for football. Holiday. Not who hands for football, 3 hands for Typical. For now, Typical, like I said, he hit a few hands who won't wait on the floor. For now, he will have to work really hard to try to tie his hand up. Hopefully he can do that. Let's hope it's game 4. For game 4 will be Friday, May 4th. At 10:01 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, and you can watch it on the MPC Sport Network. Let's see if you can watch our forward. Everything is simple. Let's see what happens. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will talk to you guys on Friday for game 4. Bye everybody.